Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna start with sum number 3, chapter number 18.2, similarity chapter. Sum number 3 is, let us prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Let us prove it with the help of Thales theorem. We know that in class 9 we discussed the midpoint theorem. If if a midpoint of two sides of a triangle is given, therefore the third side is parallel to the intersecting line of these two midpoints. Here first we have to draw the diagram. The diagram should be like this one. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is DE. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and DE parallel to BC which intersects AC at point E. Required to prove E is the midpoint of AC. So in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint, it's given, and DE is parallel to BC. This is also given. We have to prove that E is the midpoint of AC by Thales theorem. So in triangle ABC, and this is proof, ABC and triangle ADE, angle D equal to angle B, corresponding angle, and same here, this angle equal to this angle for corresponding angle. These two are parallels and this is transversal. That's why these two angles are corresponding angles. Therefore we can say that angle E equal to angle C. This is also corresponding angle. Therefore we can say that by Thales theorem we can say that AD by DB equal to AE by EC, as triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Now here we know that D is the midpoint, therefore AD equal to DB. So in the place of AD, write here DB. So DB by DB equal to AE by EC, as AD equal to DB, D is the midpoint of AB. That's why we can write in the place of AD is DB. So if we eliminate those, this should be 1. So AE by EC equal to 1, or AE equal to EC. By cross multiplying this, we get AE equal to EC. So therefore E is the midpoint of AC. This is proved. This is sum number 5. The two medians BE and CF of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point E, and if the line segment FE intersects the line segment AG at the point O, then let us prove that AO equal to 3OG. So therefore first we have to draw the diagram properly. This is triangle ABC. This is two medians. One is BE and another is CF. Now these two medians intersects at the point G. First we have to draw a line which intersects G and bisects BC at point D. FE, this intersects AG at point O. From the question is given, we know that. Now this is the diagram. In triangle ABC, BE and CF median intersect at point G. FE intersects AG at point O. AG extended which bisects BC at point D. Required to prove AO equal to 3OG. Now prove. First of all, in triangle ABC, E and F, E and F are the midpoints. Why? Because median is known. If this is a triangle, if this is the midpoint, if this is a triangle ABC, this is the midpoint. If we join this point, which point is known as E, this is a median. Median means midpoint of a side extend to the opposite vertex of this triangle. This is known as the median. So therefore this E and this F are the midpoints. sorry, this should be midpoints. Midpoint of AC and AB. Therefore, we can say that FE parallel to BC and FE equal to half BC by midpoint theorem. So after that we can say that in triangle ABD, FO is parallel to BD and F is midpoint of AB. In this triangle, if this is F is the midpoint and this is O and this is BDC, this is A, in triangle ABC, F is the midpoint of AB and this is parallel to FO parallel to BD. Previously we proved that FE parallel to BC, therefore FO parallel to BD, and this is the midpoint. So therefore we can say that O is the midpoint of AD by converse midpoint theorem. Median of a triangle always intersect at 2:1. We know that if this is a triangle, if this is the median and all the medians are bisect at this point, so this ratio, this is 2, this is 1, 2:1 ratio. So therefore we say that in this diagram, in this point these three are medians. Previously we proved that if these three are median, so therefore AG by GD equal to 2:1 ratio. So therefore we can say that AG by GD equal to 2/1. Now AG means AO plus OG, AO plus OG by GD means OD minus OG. If we subtract OG from OD, therefore we get GD. So it should be OD minus OG equal to 2/1. Now previously we proved that O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of AD, therefore AO and OD both are same. So therefore we can say that AO plus OG equal by AO minus OG equal to 2/1. Previously we proved that AO equal to OD. Now cross multiplying this, AO plus OG equal to 2AO minus 2OG. So if 2OG is came into that side, we can say OG plus 2OG equal to 2AO minus AO, or 3OG equal to AO. Therefore this is proved, AO equal to 3OG. So this is proved, AO equal to 3OG.